Welcome back, everyone. All right, I've brought you some more problems based on AP, that means arithmetic progressions and trigonometric applications. Let's check the problems. So question number 1 is based on AP. It is given that the ratio of 11th term to the 18th term of an AP is 2:3. That means it is given that A11 up to A18 is 2/3. All right. And we have to find the ratio of the fifth term. That means A5 upon A21. Right. And we have to find the ratio of sum of first 5 terms to the sum of first 21 terms. Right. Now, what is A5? It is but A. All right. A5 upon A21 is nothing but A plus 4D. And A21 is nothing but A plus 20D. All right. Similarly, what is S5 and what is S21? It is 5 upon 2, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that means 4d, upon this will be 21 upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that means 20d. If you don't understand this, what am I writing this? How am I writing this? Right? Please comment below. For your kind information, I'm writing the formula for Sn. It is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? This is the formula I'm applying here. If you don't understand, please let me know. All right. So now let's start the question. What do I need to solve this? I just need two values. If I just know A and D, I'll be able to solve it. So simply just find the value of A and B from this ratio that is given to you. So A11 is nothing but A plus 10D. And A18 is nothing but A plus 17D, which is 2 upon 3. Cross multiply. We'll get 3A plus 30D is equals to 2A plus 34D. All right. Now, in the LHS, I'll be getting 34 minus 30D. Sorry, in the RHS. In the LHS, I'll be getting 3A minus 2A. That means I've got a relation A is equals to 4D. All right. Or because you have to find the ratio, I'll simply calculate A upon D as 4 upon 1. I hope no problem up to here. All right, now we have to find this fraction. All right, so I've told you when it's ratio and the powers are same in numerator and denominator, just put the value. Simply put these value. A is 4 and D is 1. So fine, put it, you'll get 4 plus 4 into 1. But don't do like this over here because this is not an optional question. You have to perform it. So instead of taking this, just take your values, A as 4x and take D as x. All right. Why I'm doing this, I'll just explain you because I've told you already if it's an optional, means if it's in the MCQ type question, then you can just simply put these values 4 and 1, you'll get the same answer. All right. But because you have to solve it here, you have to write each and every step. So instead of taking them just 4 and 1, take them 4x and x. All right. Now let's check our answer. You'll see that in the end, this x will cancel out. That's why we generally don't take this x. But here we have to use it. All right. We cannot take the values as 4 and 1 only. Okay. So A is 4x and D is x. So it will be 4x upon A is 4x plus D is x. So you'll get 8x upon 24x. See, x is cancelled out. So our ratio is fifth term to 21st term is 1/3. Right. Now let's check our values over here. Simply put the values of A and D over here also. You'll get S5 upon S21. See, this 2 will cancel out. All right. You'll get 5 upon 21. All right. Here we'll be getting 4 into 2. That means 8x plus 4x. All right. Here we'll be getting 8x plus 20x. That means we are getting 5 into 12x upon 21 into 28x. All right. This can be cancelled from 3, 7 times, 3, 4 times, and 4, 7 times. So I'll be getting 5 upon 49 as my answer for the ratio of the sum of first find terms and first 21 terms. See, I don't have to calculate the values individually. So these will be my respective answers for this question. All right, hope you have understood it. Let's come to our next problem, which is based on trigonometric equations. All right, this is a very easy problem. All right, this is our LHS, and this is basically our RHS. Let me write both for you. We're given LHS 1 upon sec A plus 10A minus 1 upon cos A. All right. Similarly, we have RHS as 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon sec A minus 10A. All right. So sec A plus 10A minus 1 upon cos A. What I'll just do over here, I'll just take a conjugate of this term. So what will be the conjugate? 1 upon sec A plus 10A. All right. Just multiply the denominator with sec A minus 10A, right, upon sec A minus 10A, all right, and 1 upon cos A will be here. Now, what will I get? 1 into sec A minus 10A will be 1 minus 10, 1 upon sec A minus 10A. All right, let me change the color of my pen. All right, this is the first step. I've already written it with this pen, same pen only, but it does not matter, does it? All right, so see over here, this is nothing but a, right? All right, so you'll get sec A minus 10A upon sec A plus 10A, sec A minus 10A, A plus B, A minus B. I remember algebraic identity, which tells me A square minus B square, right? So I'll be getting sec square A minus 10 square A. And here, I also know that 1 upon cos A is sec A, all right? So now sec square A minus 10 square A is equals to 1. I use this identity. So this will be 1. I'll be left with sec A minus 10A minus sec A. Cancel out. So I get minus 10A. All right, now come to RHS. 1 upon cos A. Let me write it sec A at once. All right. And 1 upon sec A minus 10A, multiply with the conjugate sec A plus 10A upon sec A plus 10A. I've taken conjugate. All right. So sec A minus, I'll be getting sec A plus 10A. And in the denominator, I'll be left with sec A minus 10A, sec A plus 10A. Again, the same identity, using the same identity, I can write it sec square A minus 10 square A. All right, and I know with this identity that sec square A minus 10 square A is 1. So I'll be left with sec A minus sec A minus, while I open this bracket with minus, I'll be getting both as minus sign only, sec A minus 10A. So I'll be left with minus 10A. So what do you notice over here? That RHS is equals to LHS, or vice versa. You can write anything. All right, hence verified. If you get any problem, if you don't understand anything, please comment in the box. I'll explain you further. All right. Have a nice time. Keep practicing. And I'm stressing you again. If you don't find any problem, please don't come on YouTube and waste your precious time. The time is really precious for you. All right. Keep practicing.